Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, like you saw on the title, we're gonna do grocery haul. So if you want to know exactly what I got and where, please keep on watching. So like you saw on the title and my intro, I'm gonna do a grocery haul. Most of it is from Aldi store, and also my husband went to the commissary nearby, or the closest to us. I said, and he did good. He did some stuff without I'm saying to him, and they were low carb / keto. So let's just start. So finally find it again. Like I said the last video, my last grocery haul, my local Aldi removed from the store the bread, but they put it back. I don't know what happened. And I really don't care, but they had it back, so I got two. This order was placed through Instacart, so I didn't put my foot in the store. So yeah, so two of this is going to back to the freezer. I also got this at Aldi's. Obsessed. I'm obsessed with this. I traded with cream cheese and some bagels that I bought online from a low carb / keto cafe restaurant type of thing. I'm gonna put the website down below. So I put this with cream cheese on that bagel. Oh, heaven. So I have to buy two. If you saw my last video, I bought one to do some recipes, but I ate it all with the bagel, so I bought more. Next, this is not keto or low carb, but my husband is, as you know, he's not keto or low carb. And this is honey. He bought it at the commissary. He also bought this non-stick spray, butter. I don't know what he's planning to cook. He didn't tell me that he needed this, so I don't know. He also bought olive oil. Robust. We'll see with salads. Cause I think I tried robust. This type of olive oil, it was too strong for me. So we'll see. White and red onions. He also bought some barbecue sauce. I know this is not keto or low carb, but as you know, I don't like put a lot of barbecue sauce on my meat, so it doesn't bother me at all. He also bought some head of garlic head. I don't know how to say it. I don't know how you say it. So 3 garlics. I ordered this Aldi's. Saw a recipe that I want to try, and it calls for Worcestershire sauce. I never cooked with this before, so we'll see how it goes with a bouillon, chicken bouillon. Also for another recipe that I saw. I'm gonna do them, and then if depending how I like it, I will do it or recreate it and put in my twist. Some lemons, also Aldi's. The bouillon was at the commissary, as well as the onions. He also bought corn in the cob. This is not keto. I know it's not keto. Nowhere in this channel I ever said that this is strict keto. This is not strict keto, so I can have my corn. I don't feel like I get swollen or inflammation when I eat some corn, so that's why I keep eating them. Cilantro. This was at Aldi's Pokeball. You know, I love me some Pokeball, so I have to get some more tuna fillets or tuna steak. This also was at Aldi's. Some cauliflower rice, some lettuce for my taco salads, and last but not least, this pork shoulder butt, or aka pernil. We call it pernil back home. So yeah, basically this is this week grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I always say, sharing is caring, and don't forget, be kind to yourself. See you next time. Bye bye.